friends, are you ready to get started? Think about this summer. In the summer we wear short sleeves and the sun is beating down at us and it's very, very hot. And sometimes it starts to rain and it rains a lot and we get typhoons here in Korea. But when we're abroad in a different country like America, they get tornadoes. We don't get tornadoes here in Korea, but tornadoes look like they're swirling winds of snow and they actually gather and damage everything in their way. So they're very scary. Today, let's find out what a tornado looks like. Discover. Today's materials: bottles, a connector, food coloring or dye, and we need some water. Okay, everyone, let's make a tornado in a bottle. We have 2 bottles. Take one, and we have our food dye. We're going to open up the dye. Be careful, don't spill it and don't get it on your hands. Open it and make it go straight into the bottle. Okay, good job. Now close it up. And next, now let's take the water and fill it up to the top, okay? Be careful not to spill. Ooh, look at that. Look how pretty that is, huh? Wow, can you see? Okay, all right, and now we're gonna fill it up all the way to the top. Be careful not to spill. And then we take this piece, screw it on top. Be careful. Careful, careful, don't spill. Okay. All right. Make sure it's real tight. And then take this bottle, flip it, and then screw this on as well. Make sure it's really tight, okay? We don't want anything to spill. Okay, I think it's tight. This is tight. Okay, now I'm going to flip this upside down and watch what happens. What do you think will happen? Maybe the water will go into the other side? Probably, right? Let's see. Ta-da! Wait a minute. What's going on? The water's not going down. Aha! Watch this. I'm going to spin the bottle and watch if the water goes down. Spin, 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 spin. Can you see the water going down? Yes! This is what a tornado looks like when you spin around and around, okay? Also, if you just put a little bit of dye in, then the color is really pretty like this. So just put a little bit in. I tried to put everything in and it was a little dark. It's so much prettier like this, right? Think why. Think about how a tornado is made. When we flip the cup upside down, the water doesn't go down. This is because there's lots of air inside this empty bottle. And there's so much water here that it can't go down the small hole. But if we give it a shake like this, it forms a whirlpool, allowing the air to push up and the water to push down, like this. One more time. Woo! Wow, and it's very pretty too, right? So this is how a tornado works. A tornado is a funnel-shaped spinning wind. It lifts things off the ground. Many people are still studying how tornadoes form.